Sachin.
Am I audible?
Yes, you
Yes.
are.
Yeah. Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Shachi, and we are here for the assignment. And let's welcome Mr. Chintan. Mr. Chintan, we are a group of four, and we have this assignment in data warehouse, in which we are supposed to take an interview of an industrial professional. We connected you for the same. So let me introduce myself. I'm Shachi. And
Hello.
others, can you please introduce
Mm.
yourself?
Yes, hi, I'm Yash.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Sarvesh.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Prakash.
Hello.
Okay, so I think we should start the interview right here.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Chintan, can you please tell about yourself, your company and your role there?
Yeah. So I work in PayPal, so in fraud detection and risk management team. So I focus mainly on detecting and preventing fraudulent transaction. We use large scale data pipelines and machine learning model for that.
Yeah. So, right now, we are currently learning about data pipelines, ETL, and data warehouses in our current subject. So I want to ask, how do you use such technologies in your work?
Yeah, that's interesting. So we use data pipelines to collect transaction data in real time. So whenever you do financial transaction, those are collected in real time. Then ETL processes are there, which will clean and transform this data before loading into our data warehouse for analysis. And then there are model training and performance tracking happening. So that's what happens in real time.
Oh,
Yes, and
okay,
you
got
mentioned
you.
fraud detection. So, how important is data quality and data governance in fraud detection?
It's extremely important because it's financial data. So poor quality data may cause us creating like false positive or missed fraud. So we don't want to take that kind of risk. So we maintain strict validation, schema check, and lineage tracking across our system.
Yes. And while doing that, what challenges do you face while handling real-time fraud detection data pipelines?
The main challenges are data latency, maintaining high availability, and managing schema changes without breaking all our systems.
Hi, this is Sarvesh. I
Mhm.
wanted to ask a question like, how do you integrate NoSQL databases in your workflow?
Yeah, so technically, I mean, we cannot use SQL everywhere. There are certain type of data which needs to be stored in NoSQL for faster access. So that's the main purpose. And we like these transaction happens through user using different devices. You can use phone, tablets, whatever, like web pages and everything. So we have to get this data very faster, and then we have to optimize it for low latency reads and write. And that's why NoSQL is very essential in these kind of things.
Okay, and what advice would you give students learning about ETL or data pipelines and data warehouses?
So I would suggest focusing on understanding different concept of databases, data flow, schema design, scalability, and mainly just learning concepts is not enough. We have to take hands-on knowledge, hands-on practice on different tools like Spark, Kafka, Airflow. Just try out everything that you can to analyze data and just try to connect with real world scenarios.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Chetan. This is Prakash.
Yeah.
So my question is like, what is your opinion for the future of data engineering and AI in this fraud prevention?
So AI it just started. So future is going to rely on more automation and real-time data collection and training. So it's very important in that sense, and I'm glad that you guys are studying in that like focus area. So yeah, it's gonna be very good journey ahead for you guys.
So for a student like me who is passionate about this field, what key skills or types of project would you recommend focusing on to build a strong portfolio in
Yes.
this fraud
So
detection?
As I mentioned, you guys are going to revolve around the data. So focus on strengthening your knowledge about databases. Then for analysis, you're gonna need programming. So first of all, collecting the data. Then in that case, database, data warehouse, and all those things you have to be very familiar with, like designing databases, understanding the schema. Then once you understand that, you can write program on that. And then programming is just one way of interacting with the data, but what you are going to do with the data, that is important. So for that purpose, you need also statistics. So learn all these concepts. And important thing is that like you have to be like very like in touch with the practical knowledge. So you have to practice telling stories like the data, because you have to analyze, you have to visualize anything before you implement that. So practice that, and then try out new tools. Every day new tool is going to come out. Like you cannot say that okay, I'm using one tool and that's it. You have to continuously learn, because one tool that was analyzing data yesterday could go obsolete tomorrow. So that is the main thing. Just keep learning, but keep your basic very clear, like about all these things like databases, programming, and statistics. So those are your base areas, but on top of that, keep learning different tools.
Thank you, Chetan. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, thank you, Chetan.
Thank you so much. That was great
No
learning.
worries. It's my pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay, we are good to conclude this session now.
Yeah, yes.
Yes,
Again,
this
Thank
will
you.
conclude it. Thank you.